Hi all, myself Aditya Chinke and I am here to speak on the topics of the iterative statements. So what are the iterative statements? The iterative statements are also called as the looping statement. They are used to execute the block or the lines multiple times till the condition gets true. It has the two types of it, the entry control loop and the exit control loop. The entry control loop has the two types. First one is while loop and for loop, and the exit control loop has the one type, that is do while loop. So let us see what is the entry control loop. The entry control loops are used when the condition is checked first and then the execution of the loop gets executed, and the types in it are while loop and for loop. So the while loop, let us see the while loop. The while loop is used, it is known as the pretest loop. It checks the condition first, and if the condition is true, then only it executes the block, and if the condition is false, then it gets out of the block and exits. And it is used when we don't know the count of the iteration, or we don't know how many times the loop is going to execute. For example, when we start, then it first checks the condition. If the condition is true, then it executes the block. If condition is false, then it exits or comes out of the loop. Then second is the for loop. The for loop is the mostly commonly used loop, and it is the loop. To use that loop, we need to first do the initialization, then we should give the condition, and then increment and decrement is done in it. And it is used when we know the fixed number of the iterations, then only the for loop is used. For example, when we start, then initialization is done, and then the condition is checked, and if the condition is true, then the block gets executed. Otherwise, if it is false, then it goes out of the loop. Then the second one type was the exit control loop. The exit control loop are used when we want to execute the statement first and then check the conditions. It has the one type in it, that is the do while loop. The do while loop are known as the post test loop. They execute the statement first and then they check the conditions. These types of the loops are used when we want to execute the statement at least one time, even if the condition is false. And the do while loop are known as the post test loop. They check the condition afterwards, first they execute the statement. And for example, when we do when we start, then the first one statement gets executed, and if and then the condition is checked in this. So these are all known as the iterative statements. Thank you.